Right, there's a bird in the attic, and I thought it might just be a swift or something because we've seen one coming in and out, but this is loud. It's a lot of noise. It's nearly 11 o'clock at night. I'm alone in the house. I'm not going to be able to sleep with this scratching, so I've devised a plan. I've got a bucket with some bird food in. Got a box ready and a sheet to put over it, so I'm going to stand under the hatch on a stool, hold at the box, slide the hatch, bucket will be in the box, hope the bird drops down into it, see if I can close it and get a sheet over it, get it down. I think I'll open the window before I do it, just in case it flies around. I've closed all the doors up here and downstairs, but problem is we have an open stairway down into the living room, so who knows what's going to happen. Hoping this box is big enough. Thank you Amazon for your huge boxes that give me small items in. Oh, here we go. Okay, that should be enough. I can't tell if it's in or not. Okay, it's in the box. Hatch is closed. So now I've got to get the box closed without it flying away. This is the tricky bit. Do we just drop it and go for it? Can we slide? Okay. Right, now it is totally trapped against the ceiling. So now I've got to close these flaps. You hear that? So it's in there. Now, I mean, I can pull it down and hope I can close, but we're talking closing 4 flaps on a box. And so if you know this, but birds are quite quick. Smells. Instinct. So it's not really pleasant out there. 1 down. 2 down. 3 down. Okay. Bird in a box. Now I've got to get it down a fairly narrow staircase. But it's alright, it's alright. It's alright. Come on, darling. Out you go. And get you outside and release you. Don't come back in. Alright? Yeah, turn the light out so you can see better. Let's hope it works out to fly out now. No, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, I think that was a swift and not a pigeon. Just bloody noisy. I think I just heard it fly straight back upstairs.